How many times have you spent hours on LinkedIn, opened dozens of Google tabs, and still couldn't find the right person to close a deal, start a partnership, or even validate a new idea? You search manually, you open profile after profile, you copy names, links, and emails into random notes or spreadsheets. And after all that effort, there's still one big problem. You don't really know if the people you contacted are actually interested in what you offer. This is one of the biggest challenges for freelancers, agency owners, founders, and creators today. Because finding people is easy. Finding the right people is where most time and money gets wasted. Now imagine this instead. Instead of spending hours researching, what if you could clearly describe the type of person you're looking for, and within minutes, get a clean, organized list of contacts who already show signs they need your solution? Not random leads, not cold guesses, but people who make sense for your offer. That's exactly what Lessie AI helps you do. Lessie AI is an AI-powered agent built to find contacts based on your specific goals. If you sell digital products, run an agency, offer freelance services, build startups, look for investors, partners, influencers, or even want to hire candidates, Lessie AI adapts to your use case. You don't need technical skills. You don't need scraping tools. You don't need to jump between platforms. You simply explain who you're looking for. Let me walk you through a real example so this becomes very clear. Let's say you offer custom website creation services for entrepreneurs and small businesses. Normally, you would search Google, scroll through LinkedIn, check Instagram bios, and guess who might need a website, often without any strong signal. Most of the time, you're reaching out blindly. With Lessie AI, the process changes completely. Instead of guessing, you write a clear prompt that describes your ideal contact. For example, find potential clients in the US, including small businesses, startups, and product-based YouTube creators who may be interested in purchasing landing page design and development services for their physical products, e.g., small appliances, beverages, supplements, or apparel. Once you click Find, Lessie AI starts searching across multiple public data sources. This part is important, so let me explain it slowly. Lessie AI doesn't just collect names. It looks for context and signals, things like what people post about, what they promote, what they mention in their profiles, and how that aligns with your request. That's why being specific in your prompt is critical. When you include details like location, platform, role, and interest areas, you guide the AI toward people who are much more relevant. Instead of getting a huge, messy list, you get a focused and meaningful one. After a short moment, Lessie AI begins organizing the results. You'll see profiles pulled from platforms like LinkedIn and Instagram, along with key information such as names, roles, company details, locations, and available contact information. At this stage, you're not just looking at data, you're looking at real opportunities. Now let's see how this looks inside the product. As the results appear, you can open individual profiles in a single click, review what each person does, and decide whether they are a good fit for your service. When you find good matches, you're ready for the next step, organization. With one click, you can save selected contacts into your own list inside Lessie AI using the Save to My List button. Inside the My List section, everything stays clean and structured. This is especially useful if you work on multiple projects or target different audiences, because each list stays separate and organized. You can come back anytime, review profiles again, and plan your outreach without repeating the research process. These are not random leads collected from nowhere. These are people who already show intent, meaning you're not starting cold. You're starting with relevance. Now let's talk about one of the most powerful features, reasoning. The reasoning feature allows Lessie AI to analyze your saved contacts more deeply. It looks at each profile and helps you identify who has the highest potential and who you should prioritize first. You can analyze your entire list or just a selected group of contacts. What makes this especially useful is that Lessie AI explains why a profile is a strong match. You'll see a clear breakdown of the signals it picked up. For example, the person's role, the content they share, and how closely they match your prompt. This helps you understand the logic behind the ranking and craft more personalized messages. Instead of messaging everyone the same way, You can focus your energy where it matters most. Once your list is ready, you're not locked into the platform. If you prefer working in your own tools, Lessie AI allows you to export everything with a single click using the export option. You can download the list as an Excel or CSV file. When you open it, you'll see a clean professional table with details like name, LinkedIn profile, email, company name, website, job title, location, and more. This kind of structured data is extremely valuable. Normally, it would take days or even weeks to collect and organize this manually. Here, it's done in minutes. You can also import this file into your CRM and use it for follow-ups, tracking, and long-term relationship building. Lessie AI also helps with the next step, outreach. Instead of switching tools, you can send emails directly from inside the platform. You simply select your contacts and click Write Email. Based on your service and your target audience, Lessie AI automatically generates a personalized outreach email. Here's where prompt writing matters again. When you tell Lessie AI what you offer, what outcome you want, and the tone you prefer, for example, friendly, direct, or formal, it can write much stronger emails. You can review the draft, adjust the tone, make it shorter or more direct, and ask the AI to refine it further. Then you add your name, your portfolio or website link, and send. This keeps your entire workflow, from research to outreach, in one place, which saves a lot of time and mental effort. Before we wrap up, there's one important thing I want to clarify. Lessie AI only organizes publicly available information, such as professional profiles and business contact details that already exist online. It does not access private, sensitive, or confidential data. So you're using information ethically and responsibly, just in a much smarter and more efficient way. At the end of the day, Lessie AI is not just about finding leads. It's about saving time, reducing guesswork, and helping you focus on meaningful conversations. Finding the right contacts is only the beginning. Once you have them, you can send your portfolio, pitch your services, share your ideas, or introduce your product to people who are far more likely to respond. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, share it, and subscribe for more content like this. And if you want to try Lessie AI yourself, use the link in the description. Create your account there and apply the invitation code to unlock a special offer. As soon as you sign in, run your first search, save a list, and try sending your first AI-written email so you can experience the full workflow for yourself. Within just a few minutes, you'll have a qualified list of contacts ready to start real conversations.